Welcome to 3.12's Math Moment. Today's students looked at word problems and real-world situations and had to decide, is that a multiplication problem, or do I need to multiply to solve that, or is it a division problem and I need to divide to solve that? Multiplication and division are very connected, so sometimes it's hard for students to tell the difference between a division problem and a multiplication problem, so that's what we worked on today. So let's take a look at example 1. Example 1 says, a group of 5 friends wants to split leftover birthday cake. There is 5/8 of a cake left. How much cake will each friend get? So the important part of this problem is that I've got 5 friends. They want to split something. What is that something? Well, it's 5/8 of a piece of cake, or 5/8 of a cake. So, students might get confused when they see this word of, because they know very well that of in math means to multiply. But when I really think about this problem, I've got 5 friends who all want to split 5/8 of a cake. So I'm going to take that cake and chop it up to be able to split it and share it with my friends. The word split, the word share, those both are words, keywords, that help me know that this is a division problem. So I'm going to have 5 friends and 5/8, and I know I'm going to have to divide that. Now the next part that is sometimes tricky for students is setting up the problem. Do I put 5 in front or 5/8 in front for my keep, change, flip strategy and for my problem? What we always remind the students is the number that goes in front is the number that is being split up. So I would want to split up my cake, not the friends. The cake would be what I would want to split up. So I need to take 5/8 first because that's what I'm splitting. How much am I splitting it by? 5. So 5/8 divided by 5 is how I set this problem up. Then I'm going to apply my keep, change, flip strategy. I'm going to keep 5/8 exactly the same. I'm going to change division to multiplication, and I'm going to flip that 5/1 to make it 1/5. Now I just get to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator for a final answer of 5/40. But I'm still not quite done. I know that 5 and 40 can both be reduced because I can pull a 5 out of each. 5 times 1 gives me 5, and 5 times 8 gives me 40. So my best answer for this problem is actually 1/8. Each friend would get 1/8 of a piece of the cake. All right, let's take a look at example 2. It says 1/4 bag of chips is enough for 5 friends to share. But the party has 40 friends, so how many bags of chips will actually be needed? So here I've got quite a bit of information that I'm going to need. 1/4 is enough of a serving for 5 people, but I have a party with 40 people. So I need to decide how many bags I would actually need to buy at the store. So the first thing I need to think of is, what is the connection between 5 friends and 40 friends? 5 times what gives me 40? Because that would tell me how many servings I would need. I would need 8 1/4 servings. So I know 5 times 8 gives me 40, so that helps me make that connection. All right, now I need to decide, what is 1/4 times 8? Well, anytime I'm working with the whole number, I always place it over 1, and then I just get to multiply top times top, bottom times bottom. When I get 8/4 as my answer, I know that that is improper because the top is bigger than the bottom. So I'm going to divide 8 divided by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. I do not have a remainder. That's exactly what I need. So I am going to need 2 bags of chips in order to feed all of my guests.